Hi, today we're going to be talking about common misconceptions about hormone replacement therapy and what the hormones are and how they're good for you. So, hormone replacement is just a major item people should consider to help their bodies work better, to feel better, and to improve their moods, which it also does. Unfortunately, a lot of physicians and other people think that hormones are dangerous and therefore people should not use them. And they say, well, if you take hormones, you're going to get cancer, which is really not true. There's a lot of information, a lot of research that's come out in recent years that do not show a correlation between hormone replacement therapy with estrogen and the development of breast cancer. Endometrial cancer, the other kind people talk about, is preventable as long as you're using progesterone along with the estrogen, which we always do. In men who are taking testosterone, testosterone itself does not cause prostate cancer. There's been a very large study on that a few years ago showing that testosterone replacement therapy does not cause prostate cancer. We don't consider hormones to be drugs because that's what the body makes. You know, the body makes its own estrogen, it makes its own testosterone, it makes progesterone, it makes all the hormones. So you're just providing yourself with something that you no longer have, or you have in a much smaller amount. But you only want to take hormones if you're having a deficiency. These are not items that women should be using when they're 25 or 30 years old. That's a different situation. So basically, we're talking about women who are in menopause, or moving into menopause, or premenopausal. Those are the ones who should be evaluated and the ones who would gain from taking hormone replacement. But hormone replacement is a wonderful therapy. We have a lot of experience with doing it. I've been replacing hormones in people for the last 30 years, maybe longer than that. And a lot of people who get them keep taking them. Well, thank you for listening. If you have any other questions about hormones or you're interested in that, give our office a call or come by and make an appointment. We'd be happy to meet with you and go over things, and it may be the right thing for you. Thank you.